Hello everybody, and do some more experiments with grass. This time I want to try with textured grass. My previous implementation was just the grass was just each blade was just a basic mesh with some color gradient applied to it. Now I want to apply a texture to a basic mesh. And here you can see that the meshes I generated are have a different level of detail according to the distance from the player. Here you can see very near the player we have a mesh composed of 4 quads, and the more we get far from the player, the less detailed is the mesh, until we get to a distance where we can just display a basic quad and it will be unnoticed. I also display the meshes only inside the field of view of the camera of the player. And we can go back to first person view now. Okay, let's apply a texture to those basic meshes. Let's create a basic mesh, a basic texture. We create a transparent texture. We don't need a very detailed image, so we choose small size. And let's try to draw something. For example, a small flower. We'll draw poppy flowers, like them. Just a simple sketch. Let's darken a bit the lower part to simulate ambient occlusion. Let's save it as a PNG image. And let's see the result here. Okay, we select the grass node, and here we can change texture. And we can see here the result. It's not that bad. We can make it less dense. Let's It's an oversimplification, but the result is not that bad. Let's try with a different kind of texture. Let's try a simple grass. Okay, let's crop it a bit so we don't discard too many fragments in the fragment shader. Let's save it as a PNG. And let's see how it looks here. It's not that bad. For a very simple drawing, it's not that bad, I think. Next step would be to maybe combine more type of grass or flowers together. The most correct approach would be to create an atlas of different textures inside the same image, different type of grass inside the same image, and then in the compute shader we can assign a different index to different grass leaves shapes, and then in the fragment shader we will access based on that index different part of the same atlas texture, so we can combine multiple images using the same texture. Maybe I will do that step. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye bye.